Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 18th lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2E, that is about solving simultaneous linear equations either by elimination method or substitution method. If you find any difficulty about understanding of what are the simultaneous equations or how to solve any simultaneous equations with elimination method or what are the basic concepts, you have to watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. In this lesson I will solve advanced level question number 10 that says using either elimination method or substitution method you have to solve the given equations. And in this lesson I will solve question number 10 C and D part. Let's read the question and compare the equations. It's really important that before solution of the question, we have to compare the question with the original question. Question is C part. The first equation is 5x plus y by 9 equals to 2 minus x plus y by 5. And the second equation is 7x minus 3 by 2 equals to 1 plus y minus x over 3. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question, and we can see that question contains the fractions. So what we have to do, we have to remove these fractions by taking the LCM. It's better to bring the like terms on the same side. So first what I will be doing, I will bring this fraction on the right hand side, and my equation will take the form 5x plus y upon 9 plus x plus y by 5 equals to 2. Now what I have to do, I have to take the LCM, and LCM of this situation will be 9 multiplied by 5, which is 45. Now 9 5 times is 45, so 5 will be multiplied here. 5 into 5x plus y plus 9 into x plus y and extend the fraction line equals to 2. Now carefully apply distributive property that multiply this number which is outside the bracket with every term inside the bracket, and the equation will take the form 25x plus 5y plus 9x plus 9y, and shift 45 to other side. 45 multiplied by 2 will give me 90. Now what I have to do, I have to write the like terms together. 25 plus 9 is 34x. 25 plus 9 is 34x, and plus 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4 is 14. Y equals to 90. Now if we look at both sides of the equation, we can see that 2 is the common factor. So pull out 2 from both sides, and equation will take the form 17x, because 17 times is 34, plus 7y equals to 2 times 45. Now cancel this 2 with this 2, and equation will take the form 17x plus 7y equals to 45. Now let me block this equation, and first of all I have to simplify my second equation, and then we'll be deciding that what method we are going to apply to solve this problem. Okay, the next equation is again 7x minus 3 upon 2 equals to 1 plus y minus x upon 3. Shift the fraction term like terms on same side. It will take the form 7x minus 3 by 2 minus, this will be y minus x by 3 equals to 1. Now take the LCM, and LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. LCM will be 6. Now 3 times 6, so 3 will be multiplied by 7x minus 3 and minus 3 2s are 6, 2 into y minus x equals to 1. And now again apply distributive property that multiply this number carefully with every term inside the bracket, So we should have the command on the distributive law, and the LCM For better understanding of this lesson, 7 3s are 21x minus 9 minus 2y plus 2x equals to 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Now the equation will take the form 21x plus 2x is 23x minus 2y and shift 9 to other side is equal to 6 plus 9 and 23x minus 2y equals to 15. And now let me block this equation. Okay, so we can compare both the equations easily. Okay, and now it's the time to decide that which method we are going to apply for the solution of this problem. If we look at and compare the coefficients of x, they're not same in both the equations. Coefficients of y are not same for both the equations. So first of all, let me write the equation 2 underneath the first equation. 23x minus 2y equals to 15. Now it's your choice which method you are going to apply for the solution of this problem. I'll be preferring the elimination method. So in order to balance the coefficients, y has the smaller coefficients, so I will be preferring the LCM of taking y, and LCM will be 14. So in order to balance the coefficient of y, I will be multiplying this equation by 2 and I will be multiplying this equation by 7. So let's quickly and carefully multiply both sides of the equation by 2. This will become 7 2s is 34x plus 14y equals to 45 times 2 is 19. Okay, and then the second equation is 23 multiplied by 7. 23 multiplied by 7, 161x minus 14y equals to 15 times 7. 15 times 7 is 105. Now observe the coefficients and signs of y, same coefficients, opposite signs. So what we are going to do, we just have to add up the equations, and when I'm adding up the equations, I can see that this y term will vanish and I will left with x only. So let me quickly add 34 plus 161, that will give me 195x equals to 5, 9 and 195. Okay, and shift this 195 to other side. Okay, because that is multiplied by x, so it will take the form 195 by 195. So x will be equal to 1 because we are dividing the same number by same number, so it's obvious answer will be 1. Now replace x equals to 1, replace x equals to 1 in 17x plus 7y equals to 45. X is 1 plus 7y equals to 45. 17 times 1 is 17 plus 7y equals to 45. Shift 17 to other side. 7y equals to 45 minus 17, and when I'm taking away 17 from 45, 28, 7y equals to 28. Shift this 7 to other side. Y equals to 28 by 7. 7 ones are, 7 ones are, and 7 fours are. Y equals to 4. So the solution for this situation is x equals to 1 and y equals to 4. I hope you are clear about this problem, and let's quickly move to the next question. Question D says that x plus y by 3 equals to x minus y by 5 equals to 2x minus 3y plus 5. Here you can see that we are not given already with two equations, we have to make and frame the equations on our own. So what we can do is that if we know A equals to B equals to C implies that A equals to B and B equals to C. So what we can do, we can make two equations on our own. Like we can compare these two and we can equate these two, and first we have to make two equations and then we have to go for the solution of equations. So what we will be doing, x plus y by 3 equals to x minus y by 5. Now both the sides are containing single fraction. Go for cross multiplication. 5 into x plus y equals to 3 into x minus y. Apply distributive property that this 5 has to be multiplied and 3 has to be multiplied with every term inside the bracket. 5x plus 5y equals to 3x minus 3y. Now shift like terms on same sides. It will give me 5x minus 3x plus 5y plus 3y equals to 0. 2x plus 8y equals to 0. Or what I can do, that I can extract 2 as a common factor. X plus 4y equals to 0. Shift 2 to other side. X plus 4y equals to 0 upon 2 will be 0, and one of the equation will be x plus 4y equals to 0. X plus 4y equals to 0. Let's move to the second equation, that x minus y by 5 equals to 2x minus 3y plus 5. Shift 5 to other side. X minus y equals to 5 into 2x minus 3y plus 5. Now apply distributive property carefully, that multiply this 5 with every term inside the bracket carefully. Okay, now the equation will take the form x minus y equals to 10x minus 15y plus 25. Now bring like terms on the same side. X minus 10x minus y plus 15y equals to 25. This is minus 9x plus 14y equals to 25. Now let me block this equation, and now it's the time to decide that which method we are going to apply for the solution of this problem, either substitution method or elimination method. If we look at equation 1, we can see that we can easily make x the subject of formula. X equals to minus 4y. X equals to minus 4y. So what I will be doing, that I will replace x equals to minus 4y in this equation. So equation will take the form minus 9 into minus 4y plus 14y equals to 25. 9 4s are 36y plus 14y equals to 25. Okay, let me move to this side for the rest of the solution. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 3 plus 1 4 and 5. 50y equals to 25. Y equals to 25 by 50, and 25 ones are and 25 twos are. Y equals to 1 by 2. Now in order to get value of the other variable, what I have to do, replace y equals to 1 by 2, let it be a in a, that is x equals to minus 4y. X equals to minus 4 into 1 by 2 2 ones are and 2 twos are, x equals to minus 2. So the solution for this problem is x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 1 by 2. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time.